is so that when a client comes in, that they are going to be guaranteed that their hair is going to last. And if they use the right shampoos and conditioners, then we know that our products are going to sort of stay longer. And we believe that we are using the right products and the best products on the market. I'm quite passionate about my products because they do a certain job, and that job is to maintain the colour in the hair. And our guarantee is if our clients take the products home, we guarantee that if their colour fades within 21 days, a permanent colour, we will ask them to come back and we'll redo the colour without any stress, any fuss, and just to put a smile on their face. Our staff have training. They have training on colour. Some of them have actually gone on to the Goldwell Masters Colouring, and that gives them the knowledge and the experience for any sort of problems that we might sort of come into the salon. Well, I believe is that they feel as though they've got a guarantee. They feel that they can trust what we're saying, and I feel that they believe whatever we suggest is right for them. They know that we wouldn't recommend something just for the sake of recommending. And again, because I'm quite passionate about my products, I really do believe that they are the best and they do work. And you just have to trust me that they do work. If you want to contact us, then please call Halifax 01422 366 080. Our website is anthony-james.co.uk. Email is hair@anthony-james.co.uk.